My name is Chad Wilson from Simple Cloudware, and today we are going to be talking about HTML. Okay, let's look at the basic structure of HTML. And here in this example, you can see a pattern of a div, which is a divider, an H tag, which is a header, and the P tag, which we've already gone over, which is a paragraph. And this is a common pattern not only in HTML, but in most other printed medias too. You'll see this, and this structure just helps organize the content on the page, which HTML is about displaying content. So the next very important item to look at are lists. And we can come over here and see lists that are creating our drop-down menu, which is a pretty common pattern. You'll also see lists in forms where you need to select a particular item out of drop-down or a set of radio buttons. Those are all different types of lists. So how is this broken down? Well, the first thing you can see is this UL, which stands for an unordered list. And then you have the LIs, which are list items. So these are just kind of abbreviations. And sometimes the particular LIs will have attributes, like for instance here, there's a class. And other times they just contain the text that will be displayed, like here, for example. And so this is a common mechanism for displaying lists of text for either menuing or just straight displaying of content. And another thing that you can see here is with your list, you can actually embed a list in a list. So you can see this LI, which is a list item, has another unordered list underneath it. And this can go on indefinitely, but it's usually good not to go more than too deep, just because it gets complicated to look at. Another thing you can have, instead of an unordered list, which just puts the little dot in front, you can have an OL, which would be an order list, or an ordered list, which will put a number in front. Thanks so much for watching, and if you'd like more information, please click on the playlist listed below. Hit that subscribe button so people just like you can find this video, and please comment below to join the community. And remember, keep your head in the cloud.